Hey, what's up guys, it's Cherjay and welcome back to my channel. This is a 3-part series of bridal makeup. If you haven't seen the second look I did, make sure you check it out right here. Alrighty, so now on to the beat your face bridal makeup look. This trick is extra as hell, okay? She extra. Starting off, wing liner. She wants it. We're gonna try to do wing liner with lashes on. Okay, after shower. This is hard. Trying to do wing liner with these lashes on. So the wing ain't perfect, but we did what we could. Okay. So we got wings on. It's 1 o'clock. Now this bride be so extra. She likes this look, right? But she extra, so she wants more. So we're going to take Rose Gold Retro from Stila. So we went from shimmer to glitter. Now we're going to take the small fluffy brush, going back into the Curly Bible palette. Actually no, we're going to dip into black from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Or it's not called black, but it's black. And we're going to place that on the outer corner here. Okay, we're going to dip into dark brown. Place that over the glitter and the black. Who's you, huh? Who is you? I'm gonna take that black. And I'm gonna place it on the outer corner, about a quarter way in. And we're gonna fill in the brown, darken it up, and I'm going in with a dark, almost black eyeshadow. So for the lip, we're going to take this Colossal Lip color from ColourPop. Place this in the center. Actually, no, that's not light enough. We're gonna go with Times Square from ColourPop. Put it right there in the center. Taking the same lip liner from earlier for the Give Me More look, just darkening the edges. And then we're gonna go around and like up that center lip. And then contour. Really deepen that up. We're gonna further snatch the nose. Intensify that highlight. We're gonna do that by spraying some rose water on our brush. Just blind everybody, you know, why not? Last but not least, I'm gonna put some gloss in the center of the lip. Done. So this is the final look for the Beat Your Face bridal makeup look. She's intense, she real extra, she got glitter on the lids, extra highlight, extra contour, Nose is snatched to the gourds. Brows, real fielding. You ain't gonna miss these brows. You ain't gonna miss these brows from a distance. You gonna know she coming. Alright guys, so that's it. These are the 3 looks. We had Timeless Beauty, Give Me More, and Beat Your Face. So which look would you choose for your bridal day? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Hopefully you guys had some laughs, got some ideas of what you would want for your wedding day. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Consider it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, deuces.